like I mentioned, I got my new box, and of course I watched already what I have inside. I will gonna show you here a little, and then I will show you what I got. Let's move these, and I just arrived from work. Have my coffee to wake up a little more. I'm so tired. Okay, first thing, we have the magazine, but we will read and look later. And I got the last month that we get the fat quarters. These are the fat quarters that we got. Ah, this is a beautiful floral one. So cute. It has some birds and it looks like tulips and incarnations. So many beautiful colors. Then we got this one that is in a pink background. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's a pink, very light pink background, and it has some strawberries and some, it says sweets to be wild berries, and then it has different kinds. Remember your roots, bloom where you are planted, plant grow, etc. It's so beautiful, really nice. Then we got another one with hearts that have inside some beautiful flowers. Look at that, can you see the hearts? If you move away, of course you can see the hearts. Moving here away, and you see the hearts there. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And the last one is this butterflies in a calypso background. So cute. I kind of have ideas of what I will do, and one of the ideas that I have is to make one or two of these beautiful snails that are like pin cushions, and if I have leftovers I will be doing a tea time travel caddy that I will really love to use at work, so I can put different teas. I drink a lot of tea at work, and that will be one of the ideas that I will have. What else I got? I got pins around a roulette of pins in yellow, and I think I will use these ones for the eyes of the snail. They're really long pins and perfect for marking when you are trying to get something different from the pins that I have already, so it will help me to mark spots. Perfect. They always give you sweets. I like that sometimes are sweets that you get from UK that maybe you would never get here, but I think these ones you can get here. They're suckers and in 2 different flavors. Right now I cannot have them because I'm on a diet to lose all this beauty extra weight, and so we will wait for that. And then they give you some extra goodies. These ones are wax melts. I wish you can smell these because the entire box smells delicious, and oh my gosh, I'm already planning to burn at least one of the wax melt. The name of the company is the Beauty Candle Company, and the smell of this one is black plum and rhubarb. Perfect. The color, they always give you 100 oh my gosh, 100 yards, yeah, yards of a Gutermann thread, and I got this one is I don't know if you can see, is hunter green. It's sometimes hard to see the color. very dark, beautiful color. So that gives you an idea of what is the color of the fabric that you get. This fabric came in 2 colors. One was with lavender and purple. I got the hunter green with purple, orange and white. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It is so pretty. This is a viscose Sewhaley, I think. Let me double check the kind of fabric that I got. This is viscose poplin. So it's 100% viscose. It's a little more soft than the previous one that we got. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, so pretty. And it's perfect for now because I was planning to do something special for my wedding anniversary, and I think I am between 3 or 2 options, depending how you see. I like this idea to make this with the sleeves in this way, no in this 70s or 60s style, and I can wear this with dark tights and maybe boots or another kind of shoes. So that's idea number 1. Idea number 2 is this dress. This is, oh yes, this is a Know Me 2021, by the way. Know Me 2021. The second idea is this dress, and this one is a Battery 6586. I like the not the totally long skirt. I want a little shorter, long sleeves, and I think we look so really pretty on that. And the last idea is a combination. Is this dress? This is Simplicity 1800. Is this one, and maybe do longer sleeves. Maybe I can kind of copy the sleeves from this one, you know, because this part of the sleeve with ruffle is maybe not so much what I want, but this dress with longer sleeves can be a good option. What do you think? So this is all that I got. I'm happy with the fabric. It's a color that it will be good for me. I can wear also the colors, and it's so good. Oh my god, it's smelling so good. So that is everything that I got. I will put some pictures of every item, and I hope I can share with you all that I did with the that I will do with this box. At the end of this video also I will share a little of what I did with the previous box. I practically use every item, and that's my idea. I want to use every item of the boxes. Enjoy. They are put together in such a good way that it makes me happy. Okay, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.